Have you ever heard of Haupia? So this is it, my friends. This is the 50th and final stop in my 50 video dessert series where I've made every state dessert in the whole United States of America. The 50th and final stop is Hawaii with Haupia. Now, Hawaii's recommended dessert was shaved ice, and after 50 of these videos, I wasn't gonna just make some shaved ice. I wanted to try something I have never tried before that was native and authentic to Hawaii, and this was all over the place for that. It's basically just a coconut pudding that is served with meals, or it pairs so well in pies with fruits. There are so many different uses for this, and I know I'm gonna be making this a lot more from here on out. The recipe is linked in the description, and before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me every week for new recipes. We're gonna get started by dissolving some cornstarch in water, and you just set that aside while in the saucepan on medium heat, you add in a can of full-fat coconut milk and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. So you just want to heat this until it just starts to simmer, and once it does, you're going to pour in that cornstarch and water mixture, and you're going to stir this pretty frequently over medium heat for up to 10 minutes until very thickened and, as the directions say, gluey in texture. So you're just going to pour it into a greased 8 by 8 inch dish and let it sit for about 15 minutes at room temperature. You'll notice this sets up really quickly. So after it's had 15 minutes at room temp, you want to cover it and chill it for up to an hour or until ready to use, and it's really good. Now, I know it's basically just solidified pudding cut into cubes, but I kind of love it. Like, there's something strangely satisfying and pleasing about this, and I can see why it pairs with so many other things. It's used in pies. You can cut this up and serve it with fruit. Like, that would probably be my preferred serving with this, but I can see this being used in so many different methods. Now, if you followed along this whole series with all 50 videos of state desserts, let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for joining me for this really fun series. It was 8 months, 50 desserts, and I cannot believe it's over. Like, it makes no sense to me, but on to new things. That being said, please hit that subscribe button so you can join me every week for new amazing recipes. Don't forget to like this video, share some comments down below, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.